Hi, welcome to Back to School Night 2020. My name's Dave Miller and I'll be your son or daughter's geometry teacher this school year. Before we start out, I'd like to give you a little background on myself. After high school, I enlisted in the Navy for 6 years and I was trained as a sonar technician. I was stationed on a guided missile cruiser out of San Diego for 3 years and got to travel much of the Pacific. Had a great time. I also learned in the Navy the importance of math. My high school math teacher was not lying when she told me that you're going to need this someday. She really knew what she was talking about. After high school, I chose to stay in the electronics field, and I worked a number of companies in San Diego. One of the companies, we developed a full body scanner for use in airports and prisons. Through sales and service, I got to travel a lot of the world supporting this type of equipment. In the evenings and on the weekends, I'm a volunteer firefighter in a nearby town. It's a very rewarding hobby, and actually there's a lot of math involved when you're pumping the engine. A lot of math to know. So why geometry this year? Well, geometry is sandwiched between algebra and algebra 2. So in geometry, we use a lot of the skills, techniques used in algebra, and we really put them to work, used to solve real-world problems. We do a lot of work in the coordinate plane, and that kind of leads on to the next year when they get into even more demanding math in Algebra 2. For geometry this year, they will not need a handheld calculator. There is a calculator app built into the Chromebooks. It's a very powerful app. It mimics a graphing calculator. And my traditional back-to-school speech about school supplies is really turned on its head this year with the pandemic. So everything is pretty much digital. So they'll be filling out forms online to complete quizzes and submit their homework. So I can't even talk about pencils right now. Our classroom routine is kind of turned on its head as well. So they'll be doing watching videos online and doing their work, and obviously meeting me for a short 30-minute period every day. I would encourage you to encourage them to participate as much as possible. Like anything else in life, the more you put into it, the more you get out of it. If you have any questions, please contact me via email that was shown at the beginning of the video. I'm hoping to have a very good year with you and your son or daughter. Thank you.